Are you making it way too hard for PNCs to hire you? Listen, law firm closers, are you making it impossible? I'm talking about the ones who book a consult, show up ready, and then leave with a homework list and no reason to say yes. That to-do list is killing your conversions. Here's what I keep seeing. You're giving potential clients assignments, homework. Go talk to your spouse, gather documents, check if you have the money, move money from an IRA, journal your goals instead of giving them clarity, confidence, and a next step. That's not empowering. It's actually exhausting. And exhausted people do not hire lawyers. They ghost them. They do nothing. Or even worse, they hire the worst attorney down the street because they have the confidence to close the deal. Your PNC process shouldn't feel like an absolute scavenger hunt. If your consults leave and they're feeling overwhelmed, confused, or with more questions and answers, they're not going to follow up. They're going to fall off. When they say they need to think about it, your response should be, what additional information do you need to make an informed decision to have this taken care of today? We see this time and time again. Firms unknowingly turning away perfect fit clients by putting too much emotional and logistical labor on the prospect. They leave your Zoom room or your conference room with homework when they should be walking out with less anxiety, a solution, absolute hope, and finally, a signed engagement agreement. You want them to feel informed. Your job in that consult is not only to educate, is not only for them to like you, it's to reduce their anxiety and enroll them. You're the expert. You've told them that within your marketing. They don't need a checklist. The checklist and homework come after engagement. They need you to take the lead, anchor the conversation, and confidently show them how your firm will solve the problem. If you're wondering why your sales feel slow or why clients leave your proverbial conference room needing to think about it and then never calling you back, this is where you start. Audit your consultation process before you spend all this time on your intake process. Now, if your hire rate, and by hire means signed engagement agreement right then and there, then go back to your intake process and we'll talk about that next week. You are the best. Your hire rate should be 65% or better, depending on your marketing funnel. And that's a whole other conversation because you are the best. And across the board, this should be your percentage, your bottom line percentage of close rate, 65% or better, regardless of the attorney or non-attorney salesperson conducting the meeting. So ask yourself, am I creating clarity or am I creating complexity? At Hiring and Empowering, we train intake teams and attorneys alike and non-attorney salespeople on exactly how to shift from information overload to decision-making clarity, especially eliminating sending engagement agreements after they leave your sales room. So if you're ready to turn PNCs into paying clients and not making extra work for your support team, chasing down engagement agreements, are you ready to move forward without making them jump through hoops? Then reply to this pocket coaching with clarity over complexity. And let's talk. We will create a quick win and a roadmap to stop making PNCs work so hard, to say yes, make it easy, make it obvious, and make it now.
I'm so tired of micromanaging. How do I train, manage, and lead? I can't find time to be visionary, head down in the weeds.